As me get news of the water disconnect, me pay the bill the same night. Oh, it never had a show up on the system, say. I owe more than $70,000. And when I just cut off my water, you know, and I go reconnect it back. 30th of November, me get a next bill. 540,000. Am I also the hack?
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So whether it's Water Commission or JPS, it don't really matter because Jamaicans sick and tired and frustrated of these companies hiking up the prices on their monthly bill. And not because it is governor and governor is a public figure why this need to get some attention. It need to get attention because regular citizens getting affected by this. People who just cannot afford it. For example, a brother speak out just a couple weeks ago of getting a bill for over $1 million. A regular Jamaican get a bill for over $1 million. And then just a couple of days ago, a lady contact me and say, Unstoppable, I got a light bill for $70,000 for the month when the highest bill I have ever gotten was between $7,000 to $10,000. How that could be right? But it would appear that it no matter how much people speaks out, nothing happens until a celebrity talk out. Well, right now, governor is addressing a high water bill where him get, and governor just not understand it. People, make we listen what govy. I say right there, so.
The people who know me know say me know the biggest social media fan. Me no follow up social media like that. Me no post as much. Me no go live. Me just use it for my music and just all I vibe with my people. Me get to me and say all I drive with my friend them when me ready. You get me? I say, just for my music, for my fans. Recently, I post my water bill. Because I have to do it, you know. I have to do it. I post my water bill. 540,000. $78.61. 27th of August, 2021. I get a water bill for $44,000. The water bill, I understand it. You see me? I understand the 40 to $44,000 bill because I tiled the other house a leak. You see me? My sister the unaware and it did a leak and thing, and my mother go to the house and see it and call me and tell me, say, yo, the tile leak, she lock it off. I say, alright, mums. One of my dog them go up at the house, none of the tile leak. I use the same tile there. I've opened back the valve, it start leak again. So the 44,000 go up to 70,000. Because I never pay the 44,000. Same time, you see me? So I go up to 70,000. Because I say, yo, Jano, this leak without the house, we need to get it sorted out, this tile leak. Because I work at the house and tell my old man, say, yo, when I go back up at the house, this is how I go on, you know, really just get it rectified for me. I say, yeah, man, I get the plumber to go and deal with it, really, whatsoever. The G says, boom, and deal with it, see? So I deal with, so I have to pay the bill now, but I dep on the road, I have a couple show well, I have a whole heap of things I deal with. I don't get to the bill same time. Unfortunately, this is my biggest problem this, you know. NWC went to my premises, disconnected the water. As they had all right to because I never paid the bill. On the 29th of October, the man never disconnect the water. As me get news of the water disconnect, me pay the bill the same night. Then reconnect the bill. To let me pay it, it couldn't reconnect same time. Then reconnect the water the next day, the 30th. 70,000, you know. Me pay 75, just to make sure. Just to make sure. We just add the extra 5. Alright, 75,000. Pay the 75,000 now. This was the 29th of October, the water cut off, and then they pay the bill fee. They pay the bill the same day and then reconnect it the 30th. So they went on the premises the 29th and they went again the 30th. You see the 1st of November. You see the 1st of November, bad man. Me get a bill. Look out. You see if you can see it. Oh, I find a way to get it on the screen. Alright. 1st of November, $250,981.22. See? The 1st of November. Remember, you know, just follow me, you know. Them go up on the premises the 29th and then go up on it the 30th. And see the 1st of November, the bill is for $250,000. So them say, okay, so that is not, so the bill when I say had for the 1st of November was calculated during the period of September 22nd and October 25th. Remember when me telling you say them go up on the premises go cut off the water, you know, the 29th of October, you know. So NWC, oh, it never had a show up on the system, say, I owe more than $70,000. Oh, it never show say, I owe $70,000 plus this $250,000. So when you disconnect my water, you know, say, yo, the $70,000 when I pay wasn't sufficient, so I need to pay more for open back the line. See? So them say, the 25th to the 25th of October is from the 22nd of September to the 25th of October is $250,000 worth of water, them say. Me use. And I'm just cut off my water, you know. I'm go reconnect it back upon the 30th in a bad man with me having this outstanding bill. Okay. So, I'm gonna leave my premises the 30th. And alas, 2 days after, the 1st of November is this bill. The bill is dated the 1st of November for $250,000. However, I never received this bill until the 25th of November with a due date the 22nd of November. Because obviously I'm a magician. So, I get the bill 3 days past the due date. Alright. I think it done. 5 days after, NWC this again. 5 days after the 30th of November, me get a next bill. $540,078.61. 5 days after me get this bill, you know. After me get the one for $250, me get the next one. 5 days after. Some reason them reach out to me say them go up at the yard. So them go up at the yard. I mean, I wanted the bridge up on the phone to them. I say, yo, bro, this not make no sense, you know. As when I go up on my premises and left the premises, I get a water bill for $250,000, you know. Is this a coincidence? The man I go forward on the phone and go say, yeah, man, it's a coincidence, DJ. I say, alright, bad man. So I say, alright. 5 years I got charges. I probably should have got a couple more years. So I say, yo, me dunce, brother, me dunce. Me don't really have much sense. Charges me never learn nothing of charges. The subject that I get, you know, really relevant right now. So explain to me. More want in the dunces format to explain how this makes sense right now. You tell me, bro. $540,000 worth of water for 2 months, and my house is not the ark of Kevin Smith top. And my house, I must the ark of Mr. Kevin Smith top, about it, Sir Excellency. And my house are the ark. Oh, my house wash your bad man and now I'm flat. It's a hill, me live on the people. No water, no show up on the road. No water, no show up on the premises. Say, the whole place, you know, so no water, I see, bro. What you tell me, say? What not tell me, say, dog? What not tell me, say, bad man? What not tell me, say, hombre? What not tell me, say, dog? It now make no sense, what not tell me, dog? Me, I go say, dog, oh, this makes sense. The man I got tell me, he said, DJ, probably when you come reconnect the water, the pressure bust on the pipe then. What? Bad man. So, people, come see it forward now. So, I see it, boom. And tell my old man, say, yo, hear me what you do. Just repipe the whole yard. So, I dig up the whole of the old pipe, then I run the new pipe in my yard. So, repipe the whole yard. The man says, I repipe the whole yard. The man them got the place today and I say, actually, it repipe me. It not show. I say, yo, wanna take me for eat that our bad man? Wanna take me for what? Wanna take me for fool our hombre? Wanna take me for... Cause me never want them go the yard and say, oh, it's underground here, so. I want welded here, so. And underground here, so. If you drill too deep, you reach a Japan. That's why the water not seep up. Because guess what now? Listen to the reason why the man them gonna tell me. The meter can't lie, the computer can't lie. The meter and the computer is God. It's God. Then me can't lie then, bad man. I wanna control the meter, I wanna control the computer. I wanna go tell me, say, it can't lie. Me control my phone. 4 people call since me up on the live. 4 people call since me record this. I mean, control the phone, you know. Only know if I chew me, I tell a lie. Only can't tell because it's me control. It's only control the computer and the meter. When I tell me say that, brother, logically it now make no sense. As when leave my premises the 30th, the 29 and leave it again the 30th. Me want to be gonna $250,000 bad man. I'm not gonna tell me say it have to right. Eh? How me I go reason with the man on the phone? He might go tell me say, yo DJ, you know say when we the forward come assess it. Me forward say me realize that your place, cause me see all movements up here, and me get to realize that your place, and this and that, and true you go load it up now, you know, say boss all day too, you know. So me can't even raise cause true boss there and Ray. Bad man, I wanna tell me say dog. So you admit say find out my place, you know, brother. You admit say find out my place, dog. You get to me, I say, bro, and only true me have a platform, bro. Make I ain't idea on even forward for come even try say, when they can come try it, see something. And when me G with up on the ground and reason with the boss and I say, bossy, you know, say this now make no sense. I'm gonna make some more checks in the office, but the meter can't be wrong. Bro, it now make no sense when I tell me, bro. It now make no sense, bad man. It now make no sense when I tell me, say, bro. You see me? But me know a system going on. You see me? Me see Bob Marley them fight. Me see Marcus them fight. Me see body fight. We know we can't beat the system, you know, bro. That's why if you ask any police officer when them stop governor, me say, how are you, sir? How are you today? You see me? Me deal with you know proper bad man, cause me know one half and me know the depend dog. Cause if you get to you if you just rise and buy a house in a 1 year, one have to work 20 years to do it, it is a felony, bro, and me know that. Me are aware of them thing there, bro. Me know them thing there, bro. Me are aware of them situations there, bro. You get to me, I say, dog? Me say to me name Azan and me name this and that. Me can't call my phone and say, yo, call the boy over immigration and make him know say I'm afford my name. What am I do? And him say, oh, sorry, me never realize. Me just say you're one of them boy they were. You get to me, I say? It's true, me can't make them call the bad man on the face. Brother, I ain't idea, you know. I system, you know. Me know me can't win, you know. So me know say the bill probably are 600,000. Job bless me enough for me can pay it now. Me I go pay it, you know. I go pay. Come I have to pay. Me not go fool myself. Cause me know the system. You get me? I say, bro. But me making it a weird now, me probably save a couple more get a youth, you know, from my high bill, you know. You get me? I say, dog. But everything good. Me have to pay it. Job bless me enough when me can pay it and me not gonna lose no sleep. So everything good. You get me? I say, it's only unfortunate say that could have got to helping like some get a youth, you know, dog. You get me? I say, but me have to day me have to pay on the scam, you know, bad man. Cause you know idea. I'm a youth them also, you know. You see me? Cause nothing me in life right now for me, you know. I for me youth them, you know. I'm youth them house. And I know so it's not like a light. For you own a house and you name them on it and you have to deal with water. You have to pay off water bill if you want to sell the house there. You can't change it. You can't say somebody new fall up on the premises and you want to change over the name. The water have to pay off. So I'm youth them house, I'm youth them home, and I'm going to deal with it, you know. But everything good, man, bad man. You get me I say? Everything good. NWC. Me just do it. Me just do this because highlight on the dog and highlight the system. Big heads on the one changing of the system, bad man, you have to change from by top. See, man, you sit down in the AC for 24 hours, you have to change from up this dog. You have to change from up this dog. I saw a system beat get a youth all the time, bro. Cause now tell me say there's no, me can't fight it, bad man. Cause even if I say I'm gonna get a liar, it still a cost me the same amount of money, so it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. So I say me I try to fight it, you know. It don't make no sense, bro. So I'm gonna pay on the 600,000, you know, bad man. Cause I have to do it, you know. You see me? Cause me not try to trick myself, bro. You get me? Me know me have to do it. Me know I have to do it, so it will get done in the dog. But me just do this for just show us that yo, you see system we get a youth and just brother me I tell you that's why I see far from uno, bro. That's why I see far from uno, bro. That's why I see far. Ask them about me. Them call about dub for politics. Me say yo bro, me tell them nicely. Listen to me. All the best with your endeavors, but I do not get involved with that bad man. Me stay far from police, me stay far from politics, me stay far from... Cause me already know what it is, bro. Me not try to trick myself, brother. Enough man a idiot to it. Enough man a fool to it, bro. Me born and growing at this. Me know what it is, bad man. Me know what it is, bro. Me know where system is, youth. Me know what it is. It do it to me already. Do it to my friend them already. Still I do it, bro. It still I do it, brother. Get a youth with power money is like a crime, bad man. It's like a felony, youth. Naturally, bro. You see me? Naturally, bro. naturally food for the poor, and Salvation Army going at the ghetto right now and help some ghetto youth. Just hear them as a charity company. If me going at the ghetto and help some ghetto youth right now, yes, I mean, I'm done. You much gun me buy, you much cheat me, keep me, never hear none. I want to highlight none of them things there about, man. You get what I say? No, something but me can't, me no lose, brother, me no lose sleep over because I already know what system. But, me know what it's about. Me not trick myself, youth. Me know what it's about, me know what it's about already, dog. That's why I just go about my business and just go on, my girl let and Ray and this and that and just hold my vibe, bro. You see me, I stop DJ Badman song. You think I'm me, that's a police, me stop DJ Badman song, you know. You have enough thing when I come talking. Every time when I just run going over my friend them here and terrorize my friend them over years, you know, dog. You see me? And when someone is a police friend, on the pine to my friend them can't live in a peace because I know a system in the dog. I know a system in the youth. And when they can't get to me, when they try to do them things, they bring down my friend them and bring down. I saw it going in the dog. Cause guess what? Get a youth if you have nothing at all, nothing in a life, boy, your youth. You see me? But that's why I just play it safe and stay far from one of the dog and just go through bad, man. Cause we know we can't beat the system. We already know that. You know, in a sense, dog. It is what it is, though. You see me? NWC, you win. Everything good.
Well, alright then, Unstoppable family. Governor don't say what I'm say, but you and me have to say now. Right now, we need consumer affairs to look into this. We need the OUR to look into this. We need politicians out there who understand where we're going to look into this and address it. Because right now, Jamaicans sick of it. You understand? We're tired of people crying out. Poor people being affected by these high prices. And especially JPS. JPS who no need to stop stuck on people bill pan other people bill, like the people who are TV light who are stuck on that bill there, pan people who are pay their light bill because who no want to lose. That wrong. Watch on man people, talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say about this, because this is just upsetting. Jano, you hear me? Me gone here, man.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.